We've just acquired this very high specification BMW 520. It's the GT hatchback with a lot of specification, like I say. So we've got the front park distance control, the upgraded alloy wheels, got the tilt side panoramic sunroof, privacy glass to the rear, got rear park distance control, reverse camera as well. Absolutely stunning condition. Twin exhausts, electric tailgate, rear load cover, got a boot protector there as well. Really well looked after, this car has. Full leather seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats, panoramic roof, automatic headlights. It's done 105,218 miles. We've got satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats. 3-stage heated seats, climate control, all very cold, just been driving it with that on, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, full media pack, menu bar there, aux and USB, different ways of driving it, sport, comfort, eco pro, comfort, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift gearbox, cruise control, electric steering wheel as well. Really is beautiful. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.